Hey you guys, I welcome you to this meal channel. Today's meal that we want to see and enjoy together is beans. To give us brownish color, these beans, it has been washed very well into the water. Now we are going to fire, and when it finish, you guys trust, I'm going to show it to you and we enjoy it together. Come with me.
Yes guys, let's just check our meals. It's getting ready. Then we had to add our onion. Put it there. To make it severe. Added salt. To season it very well. Add little. Then we now have our beans done. So it's ready now, and it's very fine. The water is there for some people that like to eat it with garri or bread. Hey guys, guess what? We are going to cook rice today in our kitchen. Yes, the water is set on the fire rather. We are going to put the water in the rice in order to rinse it. Then when we wash it well, we are going to put it in the fire. Now we want to prepare our stew. This is oil, pepper, the maggi, depends on your choice. And this one is tomatoes, and we have salt and onion. Join me in the kitchen. Now for our rice. Hey you guys, girls, the food is ready. You can see served in the bowl, and we can use this fish in order to eat it. I know you are salivating already. Join me on the table. See you next. Don't forget to subscribe, click the button of like, and comment below if you like it and enjoy the kitchen. Mama Ella African Kitchen. See you next. Please comment below. Bye.